Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to play the Battlegrounds Mobile India and it shows connection to server lost. Please check your network connection before trying again. But here my internet works normal and here I connect my mobile with Wi-Fi network. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, if you are a Wi-Fi user, just check your fiber router indicators if all the lights are glow with green color or not. So if maybe it shows any red color signal problem with your fiber cable, so just check it. At same time, if your Wi-Fi router indicates any warning signal problem with your service provider, which means that maybe your DNS server not responding, so just ask about this issue to your service provider. So anyway, if you're using the internet via mobile data network, just follow a few steps to fix this issue. So by simply open your settings menu and go to SIM cards and mobile networks and select your data connection SIM card. So here I try to access mobile networks and make sure if you enable this option or not and go back to the one step. So next I try to access point names and here I using the Jio SIM card and it shows that Jio's APN. So just tap on it and scroll down. So here you can change this APN protocol to IPv4 and also change this APN roaming protocol to IPv4. So next you can click to open this bearer and if you have a 4G mobile and 4G network, just select LTE. So otherwise you can choose HSPAP or HSPA and finally click to save these changes. So by simply press this more option and close all the windows and finally one more time you can try to play your Battlegrounds Mobile India. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box and thanks for watching.